Jupiter is the largest star in the entire solar system, beautis a big brother in the solar system. Jupiter is defined by scientists as a gaseous planet. Therefore, it seems that it's not difficult to understand Jupiter's massive size. After all, the planet is composed of gas. However, I think so, you're quite wrong. Because what Jupiter really look like cannot be judged from its simple definition gaseous planet. So, today follow us the Ziatonku our knowledge library to explore the mysterious Jupiter. Speaking of Jupiter, many viewers' first impression of it may be that charming red spot. Against its brown background, Jupiter looks very mysterious and beautiful. With the so-called red spot is an area full of violent storms and death, which is implying a great red spot by scientists. The history of this area goes back to the last century. One day in the 1970s, astronomers suddenly found an extrude spot on Jupiter. In order to figure out what it is, scientists have versed exploring for centuries. Finally, with the help of Jupiter probe, scientists found that the beautiful great red spot was actually a dead zone full of lightning, thunder and superstorm. More shockingly, even now, hundreds of years later, the storm shows no signs of stopping. To figure this out, we have to mention Jupiter's unique structure. According to the observations from multiple satellite observers, scientists identified Jupiter as the most special gaseous planet in the solar system. Hydrogen is everywhere in Jupiter, making up about 90% of the planet's upper atmosphere. This small hydrogen atom contains enormous energy. Once a disturbance occurs, the hydrogen atom will react extremely violently. That's why the storm great red spot is such a violent thunderstorm. And then we is there such a strong storm in Jupiter? This is related to Jupiter's amazing rotation speed. Jupiter's rotation time is estimated to be only 9 hours, which makes the speed of Jupiter's atmosphere go beyond people's imagination. And the hurricane ain't great red spot is exactly the result of it. In addition, as Jupiter is a gas planet, hurricanes formed above it are almost unaffected by any resistance. And the hydrogen atoms in the atmosphere are also constantly replenishing the deplete hydrogen atoms. All of these mean that this striking great red spot will be visible for quite some time to come. Now that everyone a basic understanding of Jupiter. So let's find out if the gaseous planet is just what you have guessed. In fact, the so-called gaseous planet is not rapid in gas without an solid as imagined. Without a solid core to produce gravity, there will be no planets. So the reason we can see Jupiter must be thought there is a constantly working core buried deep in Jupiter. Of course, Jupiter is called a gaseous planet solely because of its uniqueness as well. Scientists estimate that Jupiter's atmosphere is thousands of kilometers in length. With such a long length, Jupiter's atmosphere would exert extreme pressure, which could even affect microscopic particles. And that's exactly what's happening under Jupiter's atmosphere, where there's an ocean composed of hydrogen, where hydrogen atoms are squeezed into the liquid state because they cannot withstand such strong pressure. You should know that in the rock formation of Earth, although here is also extreme pressure, no object has ever been squeezed into a liquid state. Beneath this ocean is the core of Jupiter, and at the center of Jupiter, the particles are under the pressure of both liquid and gaseous hydrogen. According to scientists' calculations, at the core of Jupiter, the gas pressure has reached an extremely terrifying critical point, and the originally light hydrogen atoms will be squeezed and tumble. Under the influence of this pressure, Jupiter's core must have extremely abundant energy. And scientists' observations have confirmed these, as Jupiter emits more than twice as much heat as it receives from the Sun. However, these fact is not confined to Jupiter itself. Throughout the entire solar system, Jupiter has captured dozens of satellites due to its strong gravity. And if Earth were not far enough from Jupiter, Earth would have to become just another satellite of Jupiter. Of course, this kind of thing is not all bad for the Earth. You know, Jupiter is known as the patron saint of Earth. It is precisely due to Jupiter's strong gravity that it attracts sufficient firepower for Earth. Any comet that passes through Jupiter's orbit will collide with Jupiter under the gravity Jupiter. This statement is not baseless. In 2009, a comet was captured by Jupiter's gravity. Under Jupiter's powerful gravity, the comet headed straight towards Jupiter, leaving Gaholithis off the Earth and Jupiter's atmosphere after collision. As we can imagine, once a comet collides with Earth, the human would be wiped in an instant. And it is alarming that the shash happened not just once. By simply observation, we can find countless scars in Jupiter's surface, which results of countless celestial impacts. Therefore, human should be grateful for Jupiter's quiet efforts over the past years, event hotis gaseous planet luxoskari. This themed of the explanation of the structure of Jupiter in this installment, so hat do you think about this matter? Feel free to leave a message in the comment section to discuss it.